Hi Jean-Marie, this is Renee. I have number 33. Remove the space before and after the first body paragraph in this document. So the first thing is it's in the wrong place, it's on the title. So click anywhere in the first body paragraph, anywhere. Then on the Home tab in the paragraph group, click this button here, it's line and paragraph spacing, and you'll first choose remove space before paragraph, then go back to it and choose remove space after paragraph. And number 34, apply the intense quote style to the second body paragraph. So click anywhere in the second body paragraph where it says Rockland Transformed, choose styles, and then you don't see it, so click your down arrow for more options, and you're looking for intense quote right here. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon.